Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to put a GMC Acadia in neutral with a dead battery. Press and hold the brake pedal, then remove the shift lock cover using a flat screwdriver. Insert the screwdriver and press down on the release mechanism while shifting into neutral. Keep the parking brake engaged and have a helper steady the vehicle if you need to roll it. Follow safety steps and avoid forcing the shifter to prevent damage. Start by attempting to turn the key to accessory if the battery has some charge. This may free the shifter. If that fails, remove the small plastic cap covering the shift lock with a thin screwdriver. Press and hold the manual release button inside the slot while moving the shifter into neutral. Do this slowly and keep the brake on. If the vehicle must roll, have someone assist and use wheel chocks for safety. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps out the channel. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker is great for hands-free help and clear voice prompts when you're under the hood, and it fits nicely in a garage or toolbox area. I use it to play instructions while I work on cars. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Safety first. Set the parking brake and place wheel chocks before you try any release procedure. Use gentle pressure when removing the cover and pressing the manual release to avoid breaking plastic components. If the shifter resists or you feel unsafe, stop and call roadside assistance. Keep tools organized and your hands clear of pinch points. These steps protect you and the vehicle and make the procedure smoother and more predictable overall.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.